All right, so let's dive into something kind of interesting today.
Okay.
Telegram,
All
I
right.
think we all use it, right? It's that app that's sitting quietly on our phones,
Right.
always reliable for like group chats and just staying in touch.
Yeah.
But here's the thing. Telegram's been like quietly building something MUCH bigger behind the scenes.
Mhm.
We're talking about a potential shift
Right.
where your messaging app
Yeah.
could become like your own mini economy.
It is fascinating how they're strategically adding new features, almost like they're laying the groundwork for something much grander.
Okay, so we're basing this deep dive on some excerpts from a document called telegram.txt,
Mm-hmm.
which lays out their like recent moves.
Okay.
And let me tell you, it's eye-opening. First things first, did you know Telegram has over 700 million active users every month?
Wow.
That's like almost everyone in Europe and North America combined, all on one platform.
That's a lot of people.
It's wild.
Yeah, that kind of reach is more than just about messaging.
Right.
It's about the potential to offer services,
Right.
ways to earn,
Yeah.
to connect in ways we haven't even thought of yet.
And they're already kind of tapping into that potential with Telegram Wallet and their own cryptocurrency,
Right.
Toncoin.
Concoin.
For anyone who's new to this whole crypto thing, Toncoin is basically Telegram's version of like Bitcoin or Ethereum,
Yeah.
but it lives entirely within their app.
The really clever part is how they've made it incredibly easy to use.
Okay.
Users can buy, sell, and manage Toncoin
Within Telegram.
directly within Telegram.
Wow.
No need for separate apps or complicated exchanges.
Right.
It lowers the barrier to entry for a lot of people who might have found cryptocurrency daunting before.
It's true. I remember when I first dipped my toes into the crypto world, it felt like I needed a PhD in computer science just to buy a coffee.
Right.
But with Telegram, it could be as easy as sending a funny sticker in a chat.
Exactly. They're integrating these features into the existing user experience,
Right.
making them feel familiar and accessible.
Yeah.
It'll be interesting to see how this impacts adoption rates among everyday users.
So we've got this massive user base, a built-in digital wallet, and their own cryptocurrency. What are they doing with all of that? Well, buckle up because things are about to get interesting. Get ready for this. Telegram is venturing into the world of play-to-earn games. And no, I'm not talking about winning bragging rights in like your fantasy football group chat.
This is where things get really interesting. We're talking about games where the in-game rewards
Okay.
can actually translate to real-world value.
What?
Imagine playing a quick puzzle game on your commute and earning tokens that you could then use to buy something you actually want.
Hold on, back up a bit. How does that actually work? Explain it to me. Like, I'm still trying to figure out how to send a voice message without accidentally recording a 30-second opera.
So think of it this way. These games use blockchain technology, the same tech behind cryptocurrencies, to create digital items and currencies that have real value outside of the game.
Mm-hmm.
So let's say you're playing like a fantasy RPG on Telegram, and your character earns a rare sword.
Okay.
This sword, because it's backed by blockchain, could then be traded with other players for Toncoin, which you could then use to buy other things within Telegram, or even potentially cash out into your bank account.
So it's like instead of buying those frustrating in-app purchases that just like disappear when you close the app, you're actually investing in digital assets you can own
Right.
and potentially profit from.
Exactly. It turns the traditional gaming model on its head.
Wow.
It's still in its early days and there are some challenges to overcome, but the potential is huge.
Yeah.
And Telegram, with its massive user base and integrated wallet, could be the platform that brings play-to-earn gaming to the mainstream.
That's pretty wild. It's kind of mind-blowing when you think about it, but let's shift gears a bit here. How is Telegram approaching the advertising side of things? Because with all these cool features, they've got to be making money somehow, right?
That's right. But their approach to advertising is quite different from what we've come to expect from most online platforms.
Okay.
They've actually committed to a very limited and non-intrusive ad platform with a strong emphasis on user privacy.
See, that's refreshing to hear because personally, I'm pretty tired of those targeted ads following me around the internet, judging my every online purchase. It
Right.
feels like a breach of trust, you know?
Absolutely. Telegram's approach is about respecting user privacy while still allowing for businesses to connect with their audience.
Yep.
Instead of tracking individual users and their data, Telegram focuses on advertising within large public channels.
So it's more about context than like constantly analyzing your every move online.
Precisely. They want to offer a less invasive advertising experience where users aren't bombarded with irrelevant or creepy targeted ads.
Okay, I can get behind that. So we've got crypto gaming and a surprisingly ethical approach to ads. But there's one more piece of the puzzle. I'm dying to unpack Telegram's bots. Now, I know what you're thinking because I thought the same thing. Aren't bots just those annoying automated customer service things that never seem to understand what you're asking?
Sure.
But trust me, Telegram's bots are a whole different beast.
You're right, these bots are far more sophisticated than your average chatbot.
Telegram has created a whole ecosystem where bots can do everything from managing your to-do list, to booking flights, to controlling your smart home devices, and even helping you buy and sell cryptocurrency.
Okay, so we're talking bots that are basically like mini apps within Telegram.
Yeah.
And they can do everything from like ordering pizza to managing your finances. That's next level convenience.
Exactly. Imagine this. You're chatting with your friends about a new movie you want to see.
Okay.
Instead of switching apps, you could use a Telegram bot to check showtimes, buy tickets,
Oh, wow.
and even split the cost with your friends, all without leaving the app.
That's pretty slick. So
Uh-huh.
instead of having like a million different apps cluttering up your phone, Telegram becomes the central hub for,
Right.
well, pretty much everything.
That seems to be the direction they're heading in. And what's interesting is that anyone can create and publish their own Telegram bots.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
This has led to a vibrant ecosystem of bots, with new ones popping up all the time, offering even more innovative and personalized services.
Okay, so let's step back and connect all the dots here. We've got a messaging app with a massive user base, a built-in cryptocurrency wallet, the potential for play-to-earn gaming to become mainstream, a unique approach to advertising that respects user privacy, and a powerful ecosystem of bots that can streamline pretty much every aspect of your digital life. It seems like Telegram is playing a different game than other tech giants.
Yeah, it's a fascinating case study in the potential for a more decentralized and user-centric internet. By giving users more control over their data, their finances, and their online experiences, Telegram is challenging the status quo and offering a glimpse into what the future of online platforms could look like.
So the question is, will this vision catch on? Is Telegram just a cool alternative, or are they actually building the blueprint for the internet of tomorrow? What do you think? We'd love to hear your thoughts on Telegram's evolution and whether you think they're on the right track. Hit us up on social media using #TelegramDeepDive, and let's keep this conversation going. Until next time, happy diving.